During a renovation of an office building in Pretoria East, our client noticed stains on the concrete ceiling, signaling potential water damage. An inspection revealed significant deterioration of the existing torch-on waterproofing, including cracks and delamination. The project required more than a simple repaint. It needed a complete overhaul. We began by cleaning the roof slab. All damaged torch-on segments were repaired and sealed using the StretchSeal system. Blocked outlets were opened and sealed to ensure proper drainage. The ArmTec HyperFlex waterproofing system was installed to provide a durable and long-lasting solution. This meticulous approach ensured a robust outcome, ready for the new owner's peace of mind. This project was made possible through the collaboration with Office Objects, who specialize in creating functional and aesthetically pleasing office spaces, offering comprehensive turnkey interior solutions. And that's how we transform an old roof from worn to wow. Contact EcoSeal for a free inspection today.